I am so excited to unbox my first ever Thrive Market order with you. I have I would say a good mix of products in here that some of them I was really curious to try, others I was beyond excited to try. So let's open this baby up. I'm so pumped that it's here. First of all, it was so easy, and I kid you not, it arrived the next day, which was absolutely amazing because I had free shipping. So super, super excited about this. Let's see. Okay. Oh, I see Olipop first. I think I need to open one for sure. So I have the Olipop minis. This is the flavor ginger ale. Let's take one out. This is perfect. A little snaggy snag. It's gonna be so good. I already know it. I love. Let's continue, and I'll kind of go through everything that I got here. Let's see what this is. I know. This is the Rao's homemade sun-dried tomato pesto. Got this for a specific reason because I wanted to pair it with something else in this box. So let's find it so I can show you. The Barami protein pasta. So I have 2 boxes. This has 21 grams of protein per serving. I love different protein pastas. This is going to be my first time trying this brand. I have to admit, I love that Thrive has a terrific selection of brands. Staying in the theme of fall, I think I know what these are. I've been wanting to try this for a while. They pack these things really well. Butternut squash soup. So this is organic soup, autumn butternut squash. 'Tis the season, and I'm so excited to try this. I haven't actually ever tried butternut squash soup, and I have been thinking of it for a while, so I'm so happy I found this. Also trying it for the first time. Look at me trying new things with Thrive Market. This is the almond powder. So I've had peanut butter powder before. I've never had almond powder before. So I'm really excited to try this out. Couscous. Food so nice, they named it twice. If you know where that's from, please comment because I might love you. So this is couscous with garlic and olive oil. This is by Thrive Market. If you didn't know, they also have their own brand of products available as well as other name brands. I'm also really excited about my free sample that came with my order. So this is Element. These are electrolyte drink mixes. I believe there's about 8 of them in here, so I'm so excited to try these too. Of course, coffee. Who am I if I don't order coffee? Organic Fair Trade Instant Coffee. These are 25 single-serve packets, which is perfect when I'm on the go. I know what this is, and I'm so excited for it. So this is my favorite adobo seasoning. I fell in love with this a few years ago, and I honestly love the flavor so much. So when I saw that they were on Thrive Market, I was beyond excited. Thank you for unboxing my first order with me. I hope that this may have inspired you to try something new too. Cheers!